Installing control pad, remote holder bracket, and marker tray. Fasten 2 control pad plates to back of control pad, included with projector, using 4 832 by 3/8 inch Phillips head screws. Fasten side of control pad bracket against screen using 2 number 8 by 1/2 inch Phillips head screws. Fasten bracket to wall using a number 8 by 1.5 inch Phillips head screw. Install control pad by slipping the control pad plates that were installed on back of control pad into the slots on the control pad bracket. Connect cables from projector mount to connectors in control pad. Install the remote holder bracket to the top of the control pad bracket and attach using 1 832 by 3/8 Phillips head screw. Attach marker tray at any point along bottom of screen using 2 number 8 by 1/2 inch self-drilling screws. Adding covers. Reattach the touch sensor cover using the retained fastener still remaining in the cover. Lower the upper cover onto the projection mount. Raise the lower cover to the projection mount and fasten through upper cover, lower cover, and into wall mount with 2 832 by 1/2 inch Phillips pan head screws. Place wall bracket top covers over top of each mounting bracket arm. Secure wall bracket top covers to wall bracket arms by installing 4 832 by 1/2 inch Phillips pan machine screws through holes in covers and wall bracket. Repeat previous steps for remaining wall bracket arm. Lower AN3 sensor cover over touch sensor, placing bottom tabs in channel on top of screen frame, clicking it into place, and attach cable channel back to wall vertically between the projector mount assembly and the touch sensor cover.